right now. Our fingers would meet in the clouds if we had really long arms. Let's put on our wings, get out of here, not tell a soul we are clear. And when I look at your face, no trace of sorrow, just light and grace. If I were Houdini, or you were Houdini, or we were an act that did things like Houdini, we would take turns tying each other up, throwing each other off bridges and such. But all this pain